Hello and welcome to another practical guide. If you've received a bill with a remittance coupon and wondered how to use it to pay efficiently, this video is for you. Remittance coupons remain a reliable way to settle bills by post. A remittance coupon is a detachable part of your bill, typically found at the bottom, containing your account number, payment amount, due dates, and the biller's address. It's used for payments by post, not as payments itself. Check providers like British Gas, Sky, or HMRC for coupons with utility or tax bills. Ensure you have funds to cover the amounts shown to avoid delays. Advises how to pay bill. After that, carefully complete the coupon with the requested details, usually your account number and payment method. Double check for accuracy as well, as errors can delay processing. Attach a check or money order for the exact amount made payable to the biller, like BT or your local council. Sign the check but not the coupon unless instructed. Some sources like Scribd suggest endorsements, but this isn't standard for most billers. I caught a typo once that saved me a bounced payment. After that, guys, you need to place the coupon and payment in an envelope addressed to the payment center listed on the coupon or bill. Don't include the cover sheets per own your own future. Seal securely and use a tracked postal service like Royal Mail signed for proof of delivery, as Entrepreneur Times recommends. Post it well before the due date. HMRC, for example, needs tax payment by 31st January 2025. Keep a copy of the coupon for your records. And that's how you use a remittance coupon to pay bills. Just understand it, fill it out, mail it with payment, and confirm receipts. Guys, share your tips below if you have any, like and subscribe, or also ring the bell to not miss new uploads. See you next time.